Mere seconds after takeoff ascending to roughly 650 feet, the aircraft suddenly lost altitude and crashed into a hostile building at BJ Medical College. The confirmed death toll stands at approximately 241 on board, with 38 plus fatalities among people on the ground. One person survived and more than 60 others were injured. What went wrong? 1. Engine failure, loss of power. The deployment of the RAM air turbine RAT, an emergency system that activates during total engine power loss, strongly suggests catastrophic dual engine failure. 2. Aircraft systems breakdown. Initial checks have raised concerns over malfunctioning flaps, landing gear abnormalities, and hydraulic system issues, any of which hinder flight control. 3. Fuel supply problems. Investigators are exploring possibilities of contaminated or disrupted fuel flow as a culprit for sudden engine flameouts, similar to situations described in cockpit voice recorder transcripts. 4. Human flight crew factors. A mayday call was made, but no successful distress communication occurred before the crash. The cockpit voice recorder captured the word flameout, indicating the crew were struggling to regain control amid a fast-developing emergency. 5. External interference unconfirmed. Some experts are considering sabotage or cyber interference due to the abrupt loss of transponder signals. However, no concrete evidence has emerged. Ongoing investigation. All Boeing 7,878 Dreamliners in Air India's fleet have been grounded for enhanced safety checks and inspections. DGA has flagged maintenance procedure issues, though no major mechanical defects have been confirmed. The black boxes CVR and FEDR have been recovered and are undergoing analysis by Indian, UK, and US aviation authorities, with Boeing and GE Aerospace also deeply involved. The DGA has requested a complete log of pilot and dispatcher training records to assess human factors in this tragedy, impact, and wider implications. This is the first fatal hull loss involving a Boeing 787 series aircraft in history. The disaster ranks among India's deadliest civil aviation accidents, with international ramifications, particularly given the high number of British passengers on board. Air India, owned by Tata Group and Boeing, are under intense scrutiny. The crash has intensified calls for stricter maintenance oversight, stronger pilot training protocols, and technological reviews of the 787 fleet. Bottom line. Flight AI-171E's sudden loss of power appears to stem from a devastating combination of engine failure, potential system malfunctions, and insufficient time for crew intervention. The black box analysis will be pivotal in uncovering the precise sequence of events. Until then, fleet-wide inspections and regulatory scrutiny continue, driven by a commitment to aviation safety in the wake of this tragedy.